Merry Christmas and welcome to Christmas Day here in Hudiksvall in Hälsningland, Sweden. It's pretty cold, it's -12 outside right now, but it was actually -20 earlier today. It was -10 I think when I was up running in the morning. So I left China for a while, I went to Thailand, now I'm in Sweden celebrating Christmas after 2.5 years being away. So it's been a lot of eating. I just want to share with you some clips in the background here. First I was with my family in Stockholm having a lot of Christmas food. Of course we have the herring, which is the centerpiece of everything. We have some meatballs, we have some sausages, and we have Janssons frestelse, Janssons temptation, a lot of potato and carb-based dishes, a lot of cream, a lot of quite unhealthy stuff, but of course very tasty. And you have the snaps, the drink, and some nice Christmas beer as well. I also have some Brussels sprouts, a lot of goodies in there. And then I've been up now in northern parts of Sweden. Sorry, got a coffee, it's very cold. But I'm out walking here in the woods. Quite dark, but really beautiful. The sun is setting here. I like to stay active, so I've been out walking every day like now, but also running actually in the morning. Sometimes like 8.5 kilometers, sometimes like 3 this morning, because it's actually, they haven't plowed up here, so you can't actually run, it's too much snow. But also then continue eating a lot of fantastic Christmas food. So earlier today, went out for a really beautiful walk out at the, I think it's called Hälsningland, that's just outside here. Drive like 30 minutes walking next to the ocean. A lot of ice, very cool landscape. Hopefully you guys can see some drone shots from that as well. But then later sit down, have some amazing Christmas food as well. And in the mornings you have like Christmas ham that you do yourself, together with some crisp bread and dark rye bread. Really healthy, really tasty, I really love it. Kind of hard to find in China, but I love to enjoy that. And then of course once again eating a lot of Christmas food with the meatballs, and you do a lot of things yourself. The herring especially, have a lot of amazing different flavors you can try. So I just wanted to share a bit with you guys here, some clips from that. And out walking next to the water, you have this kind of old church and a lot of really beautiful scenery, these red kind of fishing huts, really beautiful. Hopefully I can go back here in the summer as well, show you guys there. It's a very different landscape, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of a glimpse of the Swedish sort of forest and cold environment here in the sunset. Really nice, but it's a good way to mix active lifestyle. You can be out walking, enjoying the nature. It's very quiet, nobody here. But then in a few weeks I'm back to China again, and we'll see what happens in between. Just staying active while enjoying a lot of amazing food. So yeah, just gonna continue walking here, then go back to my family. Hope you enjoyed some of these random clips I'm showing you guys here. So see you a bit later in the next video.